Hi guys! Welcome sa aking vlog. Ngayon, isi-share ko naman sa inyo ang pag-unboxing ko dito at pagre-review dito sa Tenda 5G Wi-Fi router. So, bago yan, kung kayo ay bago sa aking vlog, please consider to subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa ating mga video. So guys, kung kayo ay naghahanap ng pamalit ng inyong home Wi-Fi, tulad ng mga PLDT, Converge at iba pa. So ito, mas maganda ding pamalit para sa inyong home Wi-Fi. So ito ay niluludan lamang at depende kung ano yung SIM card na ginagamit ninyo. So ito is nabili ko sa Shopee worth 9,000 plus, pero kung kayo ay may discount voucher, ito ay 8,000 plus na lamang. So, para sa mga work from home na may mga PLDT home wifi kayo or kung ano yung wifi ninyo sa bahay, is pwede itong pang spare or pamalit ninyo kung halimbawa work from home kayo at kung minsan walang connection or down ang connection ng PLDT halimbawa. So, pwede itong pamalit itong Tenda 5G Wi-Fi router. So, ito ay open line. Kahit anong SIM card ang gagamitin nyo dito is pwede. At ito na din is 5G na. So, meron din silang 4G guys. Mas mura yung 4G nila. But itong 5G na ito is mas maganda kung gusto nyo ng mas malakas. Lalo na sa mga area. Kung halimbawa mas malakas yung 5G or merong 5G sa area ninyo, so mas maganda kung pipiliin nyo itong Tenda 5G router Wi-Fi. Ayan, may kasama na din yung manual at may kasama na rin yung LAN cable. Kung kayo ay may computer, so diretso connect na yung internet niyo sa computer niyo. So mas mabilis kung nakakonect yung LAN cable sa computer niyo. Bali, dalawang LAN cable yung pwede niyo mailagay dito guys. So, katulad lang to sa ating Wi-Fi guys. Halimbawa, PLDT Wi-Fi na pwede nating ma-change yung Wi-Fi name at saka yung password. So, pagkadating ng ating router na ganito, so, lagyan nyo lang ng SIM card. Kahit anong SIM card is pwede. Then, makikita nyo dyan yung tulad nito, push until it clicks. Click nyo lang yan. Then, salpak nyo lang yung SIM card na naka-unli na or kaya may promo na. So, ang ginagamit ko dito is yung Gumo SIM card, yung unli for 30 days para bukod sa nakatipid na is mas stable yung signal. Ito yung description niya. Ito yung mga features niya such as 5G or 4G full network connectivity na. Ang nakaganda din dito, pwede kayong makakonect up to 64 devices. Yes guys, hanggang 64 devices ang pwedeng kumonek dito sa ating 5G Tenda Wi-Fi. Then, ang nakaganda din dito is mas mabilis na siya. Compare mo sa 4G Wi-Fi. So, kung kayo ay halimbawa, second floor yung bahay ninyo, may second floor yung bahay ninyo, so, mas maganda na bumili na rin kayo ng Wi-Fi extenders. Tulad dito sa bahay namin, nasa taas or nasa second floor, nakalagay yung Tenda Wi-Fi namin. So, hindi gaano kalakas yung Wi-Fi sa baba. So, ang ginawa ko is, nagbili ako ng kahit anong brand ng extender Wi-Fi is pwede. So, malakas na rin yung Tenda Wi-Fi sa baba kahit nasa taas yung ating Tenda router Wi-Fi. So, ito yung mga dapat nyong malaman sa Tenda Wi-Fi guys. Just keep on watching.
Wi-Fi 6 5G NR router. Installation guide. Package contents. Appearance. Internet indicator, 4G and 5G signal indicator, Wi-Fi indicator, mesh or WPS button, LAN port, 1 or LAN port, power jack, SIM card insertion direction, cover. The Nano SIM card slot and RSD button can be found after opening the cover. Power button. The router starts up automatically after it's powered on. Press this button to turn it on or off. Install a Nano SIM card. Open the SIM card cover on the bottom panel of the 5G router. See the silkscreen direction on the left. Insert a Nano SIM card with the chip facing down and the notch facing left into the slot. You will hear a click after the installation is completed. Close the SIM card cover. Power on the router. Use the included power adapter to power on the 5G router. Wait a moment. The 5G router is connected to the internet when the internet indicator lights solid on. Remove Nano SIM card. If the internet indicator doesn't turn solid on, you can replace Nano SIM card and try again. Open the SIM card cover on the bottom of the 5G router. Press the Nano SIM card. When you hear a click, the Nano card is removed successfully. Access the internet. Wi-Fi enabled device. Connect your Wi-Fi enabled devices to the Wi-Fi network of the 5G router. Tap Settings. Enable WLAN. Locate and select the Wi-Fi of the 5G router. Wait a moment. The connection is successful. Enjoy the internet. Wired device. Connect your computer to the Ethernet port of the 5G router using an Ethernet cable. Set Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password, and login password on the web UI.
In modern life, a fast and stable internet connection is essential. The 4G network may have some issues like insufficient signal coverage and unstable connections, affecting your work and quality of life. It's time to consider upgrading to 5G. Today, let's get to know the new 5G mobile router, 5G01, to unlock the 5G world for you. Just insert the SIM card, power it on, and enjoy the plug and play, no setup needed. Easily experience smooth online gaming, streaming, video calls, VR, and remote meetings. Why upgrade to 5G? One word, speed. 5G is 20 times faster than 4G. We hope your home and office can enjoy a superior internet experience.
Ngayon, i-rate na natin tong Tenda Wi-Fi. So, almost 6 months na namin tong ginagamit, guys. So far, okay naman. Wala naman kaming... So, ang ginawa ko, dahil minsan, may maintenance yung StreamTech. So, 2 to 3 days is wala kaming Wi-Fi. So, work from home ako. So, kailangan ko talaga ng spare. So, ang ginawa ko, guys, naghanap or nag-research talaga ko ng maigi kung anong pwedeng pamalit sa home Wi-Fi namin. So, itong Tenda 5G home Wi-Fi yung nahanap ko, kaka-search ko. So, okay naman siya. Wala naman akong masabing negative masyado sa Tenda Wi-Fi na ito. So, minsan lang naman, bihira lang, medyo mahina yung signal. Siguro dito din sa area namin. Pero most of the time, okay naman yung signal, malakas naman. So, okay na okay siya sa akin pamalit ng StreamTech or ibang Wi-Fi. Ayan, so kung kayo ay mga work from home at gusto nyo may spare kayo na internet, so try nyo itong Tenda 5G home Wi-Fi. So, ganun lang guys. So, kung kayo ay bago sa aking vlog, please consider to subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa ating mga videos. Thank you for watching!